All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 long wheelbase, short top with 33,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's got a backup camera. 33,000 miles, super nice. Got a scuffing here with a dent, a cracking here actually. About 4 inches right there. And a scuffing dent. Actually, it's really more like a dent right there. Can it be seen? There we go. A better view of it. All right, so we got a dent there. The rest of the bumper looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your fascia here has some scuffing as well. It's got a dent here on this edge. See, about 6 inches from here to here. Boom, you can see it starting here, coming to here. All right, dent on the door itself right here, as you can see it. From here to here. All right. Here's your front passenger, front driver steel wheel. The tire thread here is at over 730 seconds. This door looks okay. This quarter here does have a dent, as you can see from here to down here. It's about about 9 inches. Got a dent here in this area, as you can see, coming from over here to down here. There's another view of it from the side. Pow. All right. The rest of it looks okay. Here's your rear driver side steel wheel. And your tire thread here is over 1030 seconds. It's good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This vehicle does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. Nice. Got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, it does have a tire pressure light on. And needs some gas, but we'll put that on. And 33,588 is the mileage. AC works 100%. Looks good. Keep it moving. So we've got a dent here, as I can see it, as you can see it. See, about 6 inches dent. Probably the auction's gonna call that frame because of that. So that's the frame call there. All right, coming around, rear bumper looks decent. Doors look pretty good. Does have a little dent there, about 2 inches. All right, doors do swing out all the way on both sides. Here's your rear trunk space, a rear cargo area, and what that looks like. Very nice. Your wheel wells. This one looks okay. This one does have a dent, heavy dent right there. All right. And that would look pretty good. This door looks good. And this door looks good as well. Alright. We got here. This is what we got here. Check out your roof. Boom. Very nice. The roof looks good. I don't see any. I actually do see a dent in the front there. Let's go see what that's all about. All right, let's check it out. I'll let you bring that chair in a little, in that ladder in a second. This looks good. Here's your your rear passenger side steel wheel, and your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. These doors look pretty good. I got a heavy scratch here, about 3 inches. Another one there, about 3 inches. All right. Looks pretty good. Doors do swing out. This is what they look like. Boom, side area. So one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Oh, one of the other doors looks like. Very nice. I do see a cracking here. Yeah. No, I don't see it. Let me go get this ladder. Show you guys the front of it. Alright, because I could have swore I saw a dent. And yes, there is a dent here on this roof. Right there. Another one right next to that. Alright. You can see it right there and right there. Alright. So some dents on the roof. Some dents on the roof. This door looks okay. Does have a little dent there and a bigger dent here. 3, 6, about 9 inches down here. This is your front passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door, front passenger steel wheel. And you tie it like this. Oh, come on. Under 7:30 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are on. Car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 long wheelbase, low top with 33,000 miles. You guys got any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.